In general, what we do basically first record our video and then we do other things later on, but we have to change the way actually. Hey everyone, I hope so you all are absolutely fine, and in this video I'm gonna tell you the 3 T's, exactly the 3 T's, which is really so much important for all the creators to grow their channel. As well, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip in the last, and most important thing, I'm gonna give you a free ebook in free, which is worth rupees around 400, more than 400 plus. And it's not a criteria that कि मैं किसी 10 लोगों को देने वाला हूँ, मैं सबको देने वाला हूँ 400 रुपये का फ्री का ई बुक. बस जाओ एंजॉय करो, and I mean learn from that, and also give you the procedure that what you have to do basically. So before we're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any kind of video. Now let's begin the video. Yeah, so here I'm going to talk about the 3 T's, which is really so much important for all the creators to grow their YouTube channel. See, in general, what we do basically, first of all, we record our video, then think about the title, then think about the description, thumbnail, and tags, and blah blah. In general we do actually, but we have to change the way that we are doing since couple of months or since couple of days. First of all, so 3 T's is all about, the first T is all about title. Exactly, first of all we have to focus upon our title. We have to design, or we have to create our title. And see, title is so very important. Why? Because when any people search anything related to our niche, that title comes there. So if our title should be related to that kind of thing, and I'll also tell you that 4 things that how we have to write our title, like how to grow and secrets of like that, and 3 and top 4 like that. So I have already talked about in previous video where how we have to write the title basically, because title is so very important for our video. Now, because see, if we talk about, for that particular video, let's talk about that secrets of become billionaire or secrets of billionaires. Okay, so see, thumbnail is, I mean the title is appealing now, like we're gonna learn about the secrets of billionaires. Exactly, secrets of billionaires. So if anyone say that, okay, if I have to be billionaire, then I have to go through that, I have to watch that particular video. Okay, so this is the appealing that I mean just grabbing the attention of the people and have the value as well, definitely. Second T is all about thumbnail. I mean after title, which is most important thing, is our thumbnail. Exactly. See, if we see the secrets of billionaire and if we see the thumbnail like some poor kind of thing, we are not going to open that particular thing. Okay, but we see like suited booted like thing and like money kind of thing, like exactly the thing is also appealing kind of thing. So if there is also appealing kind of thing, people are going to tap on that particular link or tap on that particular thumbnail. So this is so very important. We should have to, before making the video, we have to prepare our title as well as the thumbnail. And the third T is all about tags. Exactly, tag is also so very important to rank our video, to grow our video, because when people search and when we also have included that kind of tag in our video, that is going to help you to our videos to rank and even come in the suggested list. So tag, what kind of tag we should have to write in our video? For example, that should be related to our niche, that should be related to the video, the kind of video that we have uploaded. For example, as I have taken the example of secrets of becoming billionaire, secrets of billionaire, so we have to like how to be a billionaire, how billionaire things like that. So this kind of tag we should have to write down in the tag section. Okay, so this is all about the 3 T's to grow our channel. I mean, first of all, just think about these 3 T's: title, thumbnail, tags, and then go and record your video. Just keep in mind this kind of thing. Okay, and see, there is a, I don't say that drastic change, but yeah, definitely there, the way you think, the way the growth of your video will be going to increase in coming forward is, for example, see, for that particular video I'll already have make the thumbnail. Maybe you're gonna show that here. So I have already make the thumbnail, I have already make the title of that particular thing, and also search for the tags, and then I'm making this video. Okay, that's it. I hope you got the value. Now it's time to free ebook which is worth rupees 449 or maybe 425 is on Amazon. And second thing is the bonus tip. So first of all, let me talk about the bonus tip. You know what, the bonus tip is literally so much important. What we have to do, basically in description we have to write down the things related to your content. For example, secrets of billionaire, then you have to write it down somehow, maybe a 5 to 10 para, yeah, you can say, yeah, para, or maybe 5 to 10 para which is related to the content, and also mention one tag or description. I mean, see, if you written there in description like, or title in like how secrets of billionaire, then this thing will be included in your thumbnail, your tags as well as your description, which is so very important. And second tip, bonus tip is all about, please what you have to do, link all your social media platform in the description. And don't write like follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on here and there. No, don't like that. See, what you have to do, just write it down like connect me with my Instagram for more valuable content, connect me with Facebook for more valuable content. See, this type of thing we should have to write. And for that purpose, what you have to do, आप बार बार आप तो वो नहीं कर सकते ना, paste link कर नहीं सकते. So what you have to do, basically just go into Notepad and like the connect with me on the Instagram and just paste the link there, all the social media platform that you have. And while you are writing the description, just copy the whole thing and just paste in your description. So these are two tips actually. So it's all about over delivering whatever you're talking about. And here it is, the final thing, that how we are going to get the free ebook which is worth rupees 400 exactly. सो सिंपल सी बात है, अगर आप ये वीडियो फेसबुक पे देख रहे हो तो आपको ऊपर लिंक में इंस्टाग्राम पेज का लिंक होगा. मैं नहीं बोलूँगा जाओ मेरे पेज को फॉलो करो, आई डोंट से दैट, या बट इफ यू फाइंड सम वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट देयर ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम, देन डू फॉलो मी. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, बेसिकली जस्ट DM me there and I'll send you the full PDF of that particular ebook. So that's the simple step that you have to do. Just go there, and yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, then the link will be in description, that connect with my Instagram, and just go there. And if you find the valuable content, just do follow me. If you don't find the valuable content, mat karo follow, bas DM kar do mere ko, and I'll send you the whole PDF. That is all about. So I hope you got the value from that particular video, and this is really so much, I hope so much value for all the people who literally wanted to go to their channel, as well as the bonus tip, as well as just the free ebook which is worth rupees 400 exactly. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value from this video. If you got the value from this video, please share this video to another people so that they got the value as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you so much. And as always, I say one more thing, and one more thing is that be safe. Thank you so much.